You do something, you start promoting, you make some money out of it. Whatever money you get from it, put it back into your work, put it back into your business, put it back into creating those opportunities for you. That is how you increase your scale, and that is how you would be able to get the most out of it, and you would be able to create so much more opportunity for you. People, listen to this, okay? And see, I share with you all the things, that because that is how I like working. I like being transparent. So if you look at what I'm doing right now is inside the sales boot camp, which I'm providing to you free of cost, all that I'm doing is investing my money and my time, investing my money and my time, investing my money and my time. Do you agree? So many sessions, so many live sessions, paying for the software, paying for the mailing platform, paying for the platform where the program has been hosted, paying for creating that content, the video editing and everything. We are doing all that on a repeated basis. Why? I also have my plan of action. I know that I am going to be the person who's going to change the way people sell in India. The way people sell in India, the way people actually get it in front of people. That is the thing. So what I'm doing is I'm increasing my scale like anything. And then for sure, in the future, we are also going to make the most out of it. And that is what is required. And therefore, you also need to increase your scale. That's the best part about it. Increase your scale. How? Maybe by running more advertisements, maybe by doing more content, maybe by providing more information in front of people. That is the best part. And that is how you would be able to get it in front of people and get that knowledge and get that awareness for you. So you will be able to create that things for your own self and to create that awareness for you. And therefore, it is going to help you in the longer run. And the reason why it is going to help you in the longer run is because you are positioning yourself as such a person that other people cannot even think about. Should I tell you one more thing? Within the next 15 days, the free of cost sales bootcamp will have more than 140 video modules. That's more than any other program that you would enroll for free of cost or paid predominantly will have. More than 140 video modules would be there inside that group, which is being made available to you free of cost. It's not easy producing so much of content, right? We are going to do that for you. So what I'm doing by doing this is I'm increasing my scale. To such a level. So because you need to have a bigger vision, you need to have a kind of a vision where you are just going to take the competition, kill the competition. That is exactly what I want all of you to do. And how do you do that? By serving to such a level that people would become, and people would be like, my God, how can somebody do that? How can somebody serve like that? That is the best part. And that is exactly what you got to do. Of course, all these things happen over a period of time. If you say to me that, Rahul, I'm not getting these results very quickly and things like that. No. You need to take time. You need to get it done. You need to ensure that you're doing that work on a repeated basis. And only then will you be able to create that kind of an awareness for you. But repeatedly, that is what is the best part. And that is what is the most important thing that you got to do for your own self as well as your work. Okay, that's the thing. Scale is by hiring some more people in your team in the future. When you would be able to hire more people in the team in the future, they would edit the videos for you. Maybe some of them will write content for you. And therefore, you would be able to get it in front of the people. That is what I'm telling you. You need to hire some people in the future, earn some money, get it back into your work. That's the thing. And therefore, you would be able to get ahead.